Your fridge is running. The light is on. You can hear the compressor, but your food is still not cold. Sounds familiar? Most people panic and think, my fridge is dead. They call a technician. Or worse, they buy a new refrigerator. But here's the truth. In more than 70% of cases, the problem is not the compressor. It's three hidden issues that nobody talks about. And today, I'll show you exactly what they are, how to spot them, and how you can fix most of them yourself without expensive repairs. Let's start with the first silent killer. Reason number one, dirty condenser coils. Your refrigerator removes heat, but if it can't release that heat properly, cooling performance drops fast. Behind or underneath your fridge are condenser coils. Over time, they collect dust, pet hair, kitchen grease, lint. When these coils are dirty, heat gets trapped. Result? Compressor works harder. Electricity bills increase. Cooling becomes weak. Fridge runs nonstop. Easy fix. Unplug the fridge. Pull it slightly away from the wall. Use a soft brush or vacuum. Clean coils gently. Do this every 6 months. Many people see instant cooling improvement after cleaning. Reason number two, evaporator fan not working properly. Here's something most users don't know. Cold air is not pushed by the compressor. It's distributed by the evaporator fan. If this fan fails or slows down, freezer may feel cold. Fridge section becomes warm. Air circulation stop. Warning signs. No air blowing inside fridge. Strange humming or clicking noise. Ice building on freezer back wall. Uneven cooling. Quick test. Open freezer door. Press the door switch with your finger. If fan does not start spinning, you found the problem. What causes this? Ice buildup blocking blades. Dust on motor. Weak fan motor. Sometimes a simple manual defrost for 24 hours fixes it. Door reason number three. Door seal leak, hidden energy killer. This one is extremely common and very ignored. Your fridge door gasket creates an airtight seal. If it's damaged, loose, or dirty, cold air escapes. Warm air enters. Compressor never rests. Cooling becomes weak. Easy paper test. Close fridge door on a paper. If you can pull the paper out easily, your seal is leaking. What to check? Cracks, hard rubber, food debris, door alignment. Simple fix. Clean gasket with warm soapy water. Use hair dryer to soften rubber. Adjust door hinges if loose. This small fix can restore cooling performance instantly. Bonus warning when not to DIY. If your fridge shows these signs, burning smell, loud compressor clicking, no cooling at all, compressor extremely hot, repeated tripping or breaker, stop using it. These indicate start relay failure, compressor overheating, electrical risk. Call a technician immediately. Safety always comes first. Final tips to keep your fridge cooling perfectly. Clean coils twice a year. Don't overload fridge. Leave space at back for airflow. Keep door seals clean. Avoid hot food inside fridge. Small habits equals long fridge life. If this video saved you money or helped fix your fridge, hit the like button. Subscribe to Easy Solutions and comment below. Which problem did you find in your fridge? See you in the next smart repair guide.